Yeah, the one with the taxi attack here.
Lord Jesus, I beg, I beg, I beg. I mean, don't beg yet.
Oh, you can't pick over one here now. Yeah, do me bed and me can't get me bed. Me a go call the police
Here,
now.
look here. I have here, and I saw you deal with community members. Look here, man. From the start, spray for your bed, I know I can't have sex.
Look here, excuse, what type of excuse?
Watch out, look here. Go look.
Me and you
Go look
go
on your
to
bed.
bed.
You're almost done. I spray now, and the touches there. Go look on your bed.
Me in a taxi.
Look here, man.
Me can't look now.
Tomorrow now pass, and you don't get your bed. Promise you that. I want you the 5 o'clock jar. And where the Chinese man I go play? Where the Chinese man I go play? This a man you call me. I mean, I don't feel okay. Onion, boy. I feel just a me and start work and now, you know, so watch ya. Boat done for me, master. I don't have no boat in the shop. So, you got a boat bus tomorrow. Why pressure for me, master? No? You go run me.
This guy is laughing at his own work, which is a true mark of the fact that it's funny. But while he's doing his thing in social, he's so shy to be on TV. It's always interesting, don't it? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm wonderful.
It's good to have you here, Evie. Tell me how long it takes for you to. You come from contrivance?
Yeah, contrivance.
To contrive something like what you just did, then put it together, then record it, then edit it.
Less than 10 minutes.
No way.
Yeah.
That are your thing then, you know?
Yeah, man.
Your thing.
I'm grateful.
Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about who you are. You were born in Manchester, in contrivance.
Yeah.
Great-grandfather is who you were raised with. Listen to a lot of stories from him.
Yeah, great-grandfather and also my grandmother, you know? Auntie, mommy as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about growing up and how it's informed what you do as a cultural comedian.
Well, growing up and interacting with my family is one of the best things, and also my community members, because I learn a lot from them and also their experience. So I just turn it into comedy and laughter. Yeah, so it's a wonderful thing.
You are on all social media platforms?
Yeah.
And what has the response been like to you?
It's wonderful, you know. I mean, wonderful. A lot of positive comments as well.
When did you realize that this was what you wanted to do?
From a very young age, you know, because growing up, I always want to be a entertainer, but I never know it would be comedy, because I used to do like athletics first, track and field, football.
You're a baller. Yeah, you're a baller.
Yeah, so growing up is always entertaining. So one day in high school, I made my first video, comedy video, and I show my friends, and they must say, "Oh, bro, you know, say this is really neat." And then I show my family members, like cousins and stuff, and they say, "Oh, your thing," and I never stopped from there. It's been 8 years now.
It's been 8 years,
yeah.
Wow.
And, you know, last year I really started getting the highlights. So
what happened in the last year to make you really start getting the highlights?
Consistency. You know, I can tell anybody who wants to make it, like, consistency is key. So I'm grateful for it.
We are what we do over and over.
Yeah.
Repetition is the key to success.
Yeah.
How do you manage to keep the content fresh and coming day in, day out? It's not easy for content creators.
Yeah.
People watch you guys and think you just churn it out, but it's very hard work, especially on the days when you don't want to do it.
Yeah, but for me, it's fun, you know, and every royal environment where I live have a lot to do with it, you know. So some of the time you just wake up and you just walk, go down the road for so I go on, you know. Say, all right, you know, I can make a comedy after this, or a content after this. So every royal environment have a lot to do with my content.
And so most of your content is about what Jamaican people do. And,
yeah. Yeah, you know. Yeah.
And who is it landing mostly with? Is it with Jamaicans or is it people across the world?
People across the world.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm so happy that I can really show that to the world and show Jamaica culture to the world.
Yeah. And what are they saying to you in your comments? And
Whole heap of love, man, you know. Whole heap of love. They really like it and I'm grateful for it. Yeah.
What is your most famous sketch?
To be honest, no, I don't know, you know. To me, you know, all of them viral, all of them famous, so I don't know. So I don't really watch that, you know, so every day.
You don't really watch what?
Like watch, like I would have said, no, I don't really watch which one of the famous one.
Okay.
Yeah, like, I just wake up every day and just say, oh, I have to make a content to make people laugh. Because remember, you know, there's a lot of sad people in the world. So,
Tell me about it.
So, for me to make them laugh, it's a wonderful thing. Yeah, so.
Do you ever get sad?
Yeah.
But
Well,
when
but,
you're sad, you're creating.
Yeah, create it.
Does that help? Is that like your way of taking yourself out of?
Yeah, most definitely. So
Yeah.
that's it.
Wow. So where you want to take this now? Because we see a lot of people they leave social and they cross over into mainstream.
Yeah, most
and
definitely.
they start to get big. So if in the last year you
Yeah.
started to really blow up in a different way, what are your hopes for what's ahead?
Well, most definitely, I'm working on some short films now. You know what I mean? Really want to go over in the international market as well. So I'm working on that, you know, to show Jamaica and the people that say, oh, a comedian can really do it and take it to the world.
Yeah.
Most definitely.
So what else are you doing in order to shore up yourself for that? Any acting lessons? So anybody outside of Denzel? I know Denzel is but who in the local space do you admire and looking to for like guidance to help you up the ladder?
Most definitely Everett Cleary. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, a Puko, you know? A great friend of mine.
Yes, good people.
Good people. My big brother teach me a lot, you know? Yeah. Also,
Mentorship is very important, you know.
Yeah.
But I don't know if a lot of you in that space help each other, do you?
Yeah, most definitely,
Good.
you know? Because I have to give a big shout out to my friends like Prince Guava, Sai Media, Joe Skits, and many more. Yeah, because they really helped me because without them, some of the time, I never really have the help like that for do comedy and videoing. So those people helped me a lot, and also my family members, like my little cousins as well.
Is this your full time?
Yeah.
Is it your full time job now?
Yeah, most definitely, because for me, I never really liked 9 to 5. Tell the honest truth, like, it was never my thing because I also went to Hart College of Construction Services in Portmore, where I got a diploma in general construction.
So you have that skill set too?
Yeah, but it was never my thing, you know?
Yeah.
I never really feel like myself.
Yeah, but you feel like yourself, do you?
Yeah, you know what I
So
mean?
you're blessed, you're doing what you love.
Yeah,
And
talent.
you're earning from it? You can eat and so?
Oh, you mean, most definitely.
Yeah, okay. No, we love that for you. And so all the other skills that you do, the editing and so on, so you taught yourself those things?
Taught myself, yeah. First, I used to use Viva. It's like a video editing app.
Viva.
Yeah, Viva videos. And then I said, I really like this. Some start use InShot. Yeah, from InShot now.
So InShot is what you use now?
Yeah, and edit them, all of them.
10 minutes.
No, like less than 10 minutes. It's just natural.
Yeah.
And a lot of people may be surprised, but I don't write my skits. It just come natural, so I just do it.
That's what you call gift.
Yeah, gift. Yeah.
Use your gifting. Where do we find you in social, sir, for folks who want to go and follow you?
So on Instagram, Evert_Royal_, Evie_Royal, and Facebook as well, and also TikTok.
All right. We have to go because we have to go to news.
Okay.
But we love a little bit of laughter before the seriousness comes. So thank you, Evie, for dropping by. Still to come, we're getting the details on Just Bet's Win a Trip promotion. First of all, we're checking in. News in 5s next.
TVJ! Just look at us now. Milk and ice cream, fruit drinks too.